Sinnaba kubawulira nga mwaniriza Ssaabasajja Kabaka nga tujjukira amatikkira ge kale mwanirize. Ezo z'engalo z'ebusiro. Ali wamu ne maama Nnaabagereka mwanirize omumyuka wa President ow'ekitiibwa Edward Kiwanuka Sekandi. Mwanirize Sultan Alhaj Muhammad Saadi Abubakar owokusatu okuva e Sokoto. Ekibinja kye yayise nakyo ngenda kukisoma buli gwe nsoma mukube engalo n'ab'e Nigeria bazuwulire. Alhaji Galadani Yalima Aliyu, the Galadina of Sokoto. His Highness Alhaj Chari Umar El Kanen, the Sheikh of Burma. His Highness Alhaj Samaila Muhammad Mera, the Emir of Ngugu. His Highness Alhaj Suleiman Abubakar Umar Maibade. His Highness Alhaj Fam Luka Panya Baba Eskeru. His Highness Alhaj Shehu Usman Yamsa II, the Emir of Kefi. His Highness Alhaj Marafa Baubakar. Reverend Samson Bekele Demise from Ethiopia. Dr. Myro Mandara, Director, Child Rights Concern. Inua Amin Muhammad Mera, Director of Programs. Mubakubire mu ngalo ezibaaniriza. Mukubire engalo Namasole, Mama Namasole, oba tuli naye wano. Mwanirize Nalinya Lubuga. Mwanirize bakatikkira abawummula ow'ekitiibwa Mulwanya Mulise Mwogere n'ow'ekitiibwa John Baptist Walusimbi. Mwanirize mukyala wa Katikkiro eyawummula, mukyala wa Katikkiro Mayanja Nkanji. Mwanirize Tieng Adola. Mwanirize Katikkiro w'e Bunyoro ali wano. Mwanirize Katikkiro w'e Busoga. Mwanirize Katikkiro w'e Tooro. Mwanirize Omulangira okuva Mwankole. Mwanirize Sipiika w'Olukiiko lwa Buganda. Mwanirize Bannaalinnya Abalangira n'Abambejja. Mwanirize ba minisita okuva mu gavumenti eya wakati. Mwanirize ba minisita ba Ssaabasajja. Mwanirize ab'amasaza. Mwanirize abakulu abataka ab'obusolya. Mwanirize abaka ba Paalamenti. Mwanirize abaka b'Olukiiko lwa Buganda. Mwanirize abakulira ebitongole by'Obwakabaka. Mwanirize bakatukyaza abankumba University. Mwanirize ebitongole Buganda twezimbe twekobe ejjudde n'ekwagalana. Mwanirize RDC. Mwanirize Ssentebe Matiya Lwanga Bwanika. Mwanirize Meeya Kalema. Nammwe mweyanirize n'engalo ez'omwanguka. Mukama wange Ssaabasajja, nga tukuza amatikkira nga tugajjukira, tuba n'ekikopo ekiwakanirwa. Ku mulundi guno singa ekikopo eyakyetisse yawangudde Busiro mu kusimulagana penalty. Kansabe minisita ow'ebyemizannyo ow'ekitiibwa Henry Ssekabembe Kiberu ekikopo okitwale mu maaso ga Ssaabasajja Kabaka akikwase mu kwenda tambula ng'oyolekera Namulondo ngabo bakuwe engabo engalo. Bannaye mukubira abeesinga engalo temukwatibwa bujja. Minisita ekikopo kitwalire mu maaso ga Ssaabasajja owerekerwe mu kwenda yekka yaba akugoberera abalala basigale. Mukwenda mukubire mu ngalo bannaye. Ekikopo ky'amatikkira bakyetisse bannasingo. Omwaka ogujja ab'e Buddu bajja kiwangula. Mu bagenyi ba Ssaabasajja Kabaka abali wano bembanjulidde, Katikkiro w'e Bunyoro yazze n'obubaka bwarukira basajja. Kampite muganda wange byakutaaga ow'ekitiinisa byakutaaga ajje wano wendi asome obubaka bw'omukama wa Bunyoro. Mbasaba mumwanirize mu ngeri esaanidde. Mwebala bakubye engalo ez'omuyiika, mwebala abankerettanyi, mwebale nnyo, mukoze bulungi. May we also welcome Mr. Jerome Adebayo, Head of Chancery, the Nigerian High Commission. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for attending this event.
Thank you very much. Your Royal Highness, before I go on, I would like to introduce my delegation, which I came with from Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom. Right here, I have Mr. Apollo Rwamparo. He's the second Deputy Prime Minister in charge of tourism. He's a Mubito and the grandson of Kabalega. I have Mr. Philip Katahoire, Honorable, who is a Minister of External Relations. With us, we have Dr. Florence Asimwe, who is a PhD holder and is a Minister of Natural Resources. Minister of Social Affairs, sorry. I have Mr. John Kyaligonza, who is an advisor to the King. Mr. Byaruhanga, who is Mr. Byaruhanga Godfrey, is also a subject of His Majesty the King.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Your Majesty, I have a short speech here from His Royal Majesty, the King of Bunyoro Kitara, the Vice President of Republic of Uganda, Your Royal Highness, Kabaka Mwenda Mutebi II, Her Royal Highness the Nabagereka, members of the Royal Family of Buganda, royal guests from Uganda and abroad, the Katikkiro of Buganda, ministers of Buganda Kingdom, members of the Luchiko, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me pleasure to congratulate Your Majesty on this most glorious day of the 26th coronation anniversary of your reign as King of Buganda. Your Majesty's love for the people of Buganda and Uganda, your endless service and wise leadership has made a great contribution to peace and prosperity for the people of Buganda and all Ugandans. We hold your achievements in high regard, Your Majesty. It is indeed my honor to extend my congratulations to you on this grand occasion. I bring you greetings from members of the royal family and the people of Bunyoro Kitara Kingdom. May the Almighty God continue to bestow his precious blessings upon your majesty and all the people of Buganda. We also acknowledge your character and personality as a courageous, highly principled, and emotionally stable leader, and you're being thoroughly grounded in education, African culture, and work experience. Your propagation and protection of heritage and aspirations of Baganda is very evident. More so, the presence of such a mammoth gathering is testimony enough to your popularity and unifying leadership. Your Royal Highness, my speech would be incomplete if I didn't highlight the cordial relationship between our two sister kingdoms. Not only are they related by origin, tradition, and culture, but also united by destiny. While over the centuries there have been some low points in our relationship, overall we have stood together through many trials and tribulations. Suffice to say, your reign has graciously strengthened the immense contributions of our fallen heroes and heroines, especially my grandfather Omukama Chua II Kabalega and your great-grandfather Daniel Basamula Mwanga, who joined hands to resist British colonial invasion. Although both heroes were captured, exiled, and died away from their kingdoms, they showed the importance of unity, collaboration, and principled leadership, values that many people of Africa and elsewhere should emulate. It has become imperative to imbibe the undiluted positive spirits and values of such illustrious ancestors as we navigate the socio-political crossroads in our contemporary cultural institutions and kingdoms. Lastly, I pray that God will continually replenish your health and strength, protect and crown you with grand success as you steer your kingdom to socio-economic prosperity and transformation. Happy 26th coronation anniversary, and thank you for your attention. Rukira Basaija Agutamba, Dr. Solomon Gafabu Saiguru. Thank you very much. But before I leave, I would like to introduce my dear wife, Rose Byakutaga, who came with, but she remained there. Rose, can you please wave? Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for giving us this. Thank you.
Kambasabe mukubire Katikkiro w'e Bunyoro engalo olw'okutuusa obubaka bwa Rukira Basaija. Nga bwe mulaba Buganda esajja kudde. Kaakati tuli ku myaka 25 nga Kabaka Muwenda Mutebi II alamula, myaka 26 nga Kabaka alamula, agenda ayongera okumanyisa ennono yaffe mu nsi yonna, agenda atuyitira abagenyi ng'omugenyi ono Sultan Muhammad Abubakar owokusatu gwe mulaba kaakati n'ekibinja kye. Mu kyasa ekya21 mu mulembe Omutebi, obuwangwa n'ennono birina okweyambisibwa okuleeta enkulaakulana mu bantu mu bulamu bwabwe obwa bulijjo. Gye tukoma okumanya obuwangwa bw'abalala, gye kijja okukoma okutwanguyira okuteekateeka ebinaatuleetera okugenda mu maaso. Ssaabasajja Kabaka abadde alamusa ku Muhikirwa ne baminisita b'Omukama, ke kasiriikirira ako ke muwulira, tewali munywagulwana. ku lwammwe abali wano n'abatali wano, ku lwa gavumenti ya Ssaabasajja Kabaka ne ku lwange n'ab'omu maka gange, njozaayo za Ssaabasajja Kabaka okuweza emyaka 26 ng'ali ku Nnamulondo ya Buganda atulamula. Omuyimbi Eri Wamala yayimba nti tewali yali amanyi okujjako Mukama Katonda. Tewali yali amanyi nti tujja kusomoka obuwonvu n'obugga tutuuke wano nga tutambula tugenda ku ntikko kati emyaka 26. Awo nno neebaza Obuganda bulijjo okubeeranga okumpi ne Kabaka wammwe. Katonda twongera okumusaba atuyambe ensonga za Buganda ssemasonga 5 tuzituukeko zonna ku mulembe guno omutebi, okunyweza, okukuuma n'okutaasa Nnamulondo, okugabana obuyinza mu nkola eya federo, okukuuma ettaka n'ensalo za Buganda, okukola obutaweera, tusimbe emmwanyi, tubeere balamu, tubeere bagunjufu bayigirize, wamu n'okubeera obumu. Naye Omuganda agamba nti lubaala embeera nga n'embiro kw'otadde. Awo nno mu kusaba Katonda atuyambe, tulina naffe okwetegeka obulungi tusobole okutuuka ku biruubirirwa byaffe. Bwe twetegeka ne tugoberera enteekateeka, ne tunyiikira, ne tutaterebuka, tujja kuwangula. Mukama wange Ssaabasajja siima neebaze abateesiteesi abakulembeddwamu Oweekitiibwa Christopher Bwanika, abadde kyajja afuuke Ssaabawolereza wa Buganda, atuukidde ku mirimo. Ssebo weebale nnyo, weebalire ddala n'olukiiko lwonna lw'okoze nabo. Mukama wange kkiriza neebaze Ssebwana n'abaami ba Kabaka bonna mu Busiro, kubanga baakoze nabo. Ssaabasajja Kabaka kkiriza neebaze Oweekitiibwa omumyuka asooka wa Katikkiro Twaka Awaase, y'abadde akola ku bugenyi bwa Sultan n'ekibinja kye. Ssebo weebale nnyo, weebalire ddala. N'Oweekitiibwa Nankindu naye abaddeko. Oweekitiibwa Kawaase mumukubire mu ngalo. Neebaza omuwanika ate era nga ye mumyuka owokubiri owa Katikkiro Oweekitiibwa Waggwa Nsibirwa olw'okunoonya lupiiya. Oweekitiibwa Waggwa Nsibirwa muzzukulu wa Katikkiro Martin Luther Nsibirwa yeddira Nvuma. Ab'Envuma si bangi naye babaamu empeke, mumukubireko mu ngalo nga yeeyanza. Neebaza abavujjirizi okusingira ddala aba Airtel tubasiima nnyo, ate nga betukola nabo kettu ejjudde, be bavujjirizi baffe abakulu, mubakubire mu ngalo. Neebaza aba Nkumba University, muzzukulu wa Katongole Emulema Gordon wava munno Chancellor, ne baakola nabo ku university olw'enteekateeka n'obuvujjirizi. Neebaza bannabusiro mwenna, nammwe mwenna abazze okulamusa ku Mutanda Ssaabasajja Kabaka kitaffe ng'ajaguza emyaka 26 ku Nnamulondo ya Buganda. Mwebale nnyo, mwebala ddala, temujjanga okwo. We welcome in a special way His Eminence the Sultan and members of his delegation. we firmly believe that your presence will strengthen the cooperation between the different people of Africa so that we use our culture to bring about social and economic transformation. Thank you very much, Your Eminence, for your attendance of this celebration and with members of your delegation. His Eminence the Sultan is going to make a few remarks. It's a special privilege and honor for me to invite the Sultan of Sokoto, His Eminence Muhammad Abubakar III, to say a few words to the people assembled here. Your Eminence. Mwanirize Sultan bana.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa sallallahu ala nabiyil karim. My most distinguished brother and friend, Sabasaja Kabaka, His Excellency the Vice President of Uganda, our more distinguished brothers and sisters of this great kingdom of Uganda and other citizens of Uganda. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
On a day like this, you can but give very special thanks to our Creator, the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, for His blessings and for bringing us to Kampala for this very important program. When I got the Kabaka's invitation, specially brought to me in Sokoto, I didn't hesitate to accept the invitation, and I gave immediate answer in which the distinguished Deputy Prime Minister brought back immediately that inshallah I would attend. So we give thanks to Almighty for making it possible for us to be here today. And we want to thank everybody for receiving us and making us feel at home in this great country. The theme of this year's coronation anniversary is very important to us. And of course, it's one of the very strong reasons why I accepted the invitation. Because the theme is the role of cultures in promotion of education and health. Education and health are two most important things that any leader must ensure his people possess at every time. The Sokoto Caliphate that was founded centuries ago was founded on knowledge. Therefore, we place a very important premium on education, acquisition of education, and imparting education to all and sundry. Therefore, when I had the Kabaka's many roles in promoting education, and the very many speeches made here commending him of being there for his people, and the very large turnout here today that showed the love you have for him because of the work he has been doing and he will continue to do till the end of his time. It's so important that we must say it here. We urge all leaders to place the people first, serve the people instead of the people serving them. As a leader, you are a servant of your people. And Kabaka had been serving his people, and that's why you see this mammoth crowd coming to celebrate with him. This is an indication of a leader doing right. If a leader is doing wrong, people will run away from him. Because as the saying goes, you can drag a horse to the river, you can't force the horse to drink water. You can force yourself on the leadership of the people, but you cannot force the people to love you and follow you. So it's important for us as leaders to always put people first before ourselves or our families or our friends. The issue of health is very important because we took it upon ourselves in Nigeria, a country of over 200 million people, almost divided proportionately between Christians and Muslims. And therefore we say we're 100 million Muslims and almost 100 million Christians in our country. And therefore we place a very high premium on health of our people. And that's why 10 years ago, we formed a committee of the traditional leaders to fight polio and then other childhood killer diseases in our country. And since we came in as traditional leaders, we have succeeded where so many others failed over the years. That goes to show the importance of the traditional institution which the Kabaka so proudly present here. And I can say, since he came on 26 years ago, he had been struggling to bring back the culture of our people that had been thrown away years ago due to so many reasons which you know better. Therefore, you have to continue to strengthen the Kabaka's hands, to strengthen the cultures of these people here, because our cultures are very important to us, and we must always maintain our cultures above any other thing. We must never do away with our cultures, no matter where we find ourselves. I've seen cultures today, and we're very proud to be associated with Kabaka and his efforts to revive the culture of Buganda Kingdom. We are with you. We'll continue to strengthen you as your friends, as your brothers. Always reach out to us because we know the role you played. Sometimes early this year, when we had a conference of African countries trying to keep girls in school, and you are represented in Nigeria by our able minister, and we believe very soon, I say very soon, you will personally come to Nigeria as our guest, or rather as a brother visiting us. And that conference went a long way in raising the awareness of people to the importance of girl-child education. And it's important to educate our girls because an educated mother is an asset to the family, is an asset to the nation. Therefore, we'll continue to work hard and partner with all agencies, all other brothers and sisters across the world to ensure that we educate our people, we have a healthy society, and then definitely we will have more developed and healthier countries free of corruption, free of intimidation by leaders, free of all the bad things that make countries really very bad. So we thank the Kabaka for the invitation. We thank all of you here who have been out here, and we thank Almighty Allah for giving us a good weather for us to finish this program. And we thank him for taking us back to our various destinations at the end of this program. And we pray to him to take us back to our various countries since we came in here 2 days back. I have a very strong delegation that had been meeting with other stakeholders in Uganda, and you have been introduced to them by my brother there. And I think it's important for us to continue to acknowledge the roles we can continue to play as traditional leaders, the roles we must play as traditional leaders and fathers of the people, the roles we must play as religious leaders. Because we are not just traditional leaders, we are also religious leaders. Because I doubled as the chairman of the Nigeria's National Council of Traditional Rulers, and I also doubled as the leader of the 100 million Nigerian Muslims. So I speak very confidently that Nigeria is represented here, and we're very proud to hear our anthem being played here, because if a leader, or rather 2 leaders in one, is here personally at the invitation of his brother, then I think the whole country is here. So we extend our love, the love of Nigerians, all of them, to the Kabaka, and pray that we will one day come back to celebrate 50 years as the Kabaka of Buganda, inshallah. Yes, I said 50 years. So by then, I'm sure he will still be on his feet, because he's very strong, very healthy, and we continue to pray for him and his family and all Ugandans wherever they find themselves. Count us as your brothers and sisters. Count us as your very close friends. Count us as your confidants. Because sometimes you have a friend that you can't confide in him, but in us, you have friends that you can confide in. We thank you very much. May Almighty Allah continue to bless us always, bless Uganda, bless Nigeria, and bless all of us everywhere we are. Thank you very much. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.